This is technical analysis for Thursday, but this is the weekend edition. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and this video is good through Sunday, November 16th, 2014, because I will be in transit on Friday. We'll not be able to do the weekend edition video on Friday because I'll be flying the friendly skies to sunny Viva Las Vegas to teach a class and to hook up with the big Traders Expo there. And here's the skinny for Thursday. Everybody bullish but small caps. Now this is problematic for the markets. Here's why. People will flee those stocks that are deemed the most risky at significant highs. We're at a significant high right now. Those stocks that are seen the most risky are those that are smaller cap size. So those that are smaller are in the Russell's 2000. Russell's 2000 is down nearly 1% when everybody else is in bullish territory. Now, the only way that is confirmed is if financials are also down. If you look down here at the banks, this is the biggest index of banks out there, roughly 460, 470 banks allocated in this index, down almost 1%. And you have the VIX, which is the fear indicator. And when the fear is higher, that means the markets are poised to drop or are dropping. Now you have VIX up 5.9%, almost 6% higher. Fear has spiked higher even with a bullish market. So the Dow's bullish, Nasdaq's bullish, but when you have small caps bearish, you have the banks bearish, you have the fear increasing dramatically. Gang, this is problematic. Gold up, silver down. Crude oil now is dropping so much that I'm rethinking a buy opportunity. I want to see more conviction on the buy side, but I'm seeing it more on the sell side, so I'm saying pat on that. So here we are taking a look at the markets. Remember, this is the S&P 500, and I drew these red lines to show trajectory and the decreasing of trajectory. Here's the rolling over. We had a significant run higher, then we're rolling. And on Thursday, we failed to hit this line. You can see the last couple days, Wednesday, Thursday, boom, we missed hitting this line. We hit it. Now we're failing. So it's relative weakness. We are building a base, though. We are building a base, and if you look here at the MACD, we're continuing down here on the MACD. Now, question is, will we drop? If you look at a weekly chart, this is what we're looking at on the S&P 500. Here you have resistance. We're at resistance, but if you look very closely here, you can see that we're above this resistance. It's very bullish. However, the problem is this is a dynamic candle. The candlestick before it is a static candle, and all the candles following that. So that, or preceding it rather, these candlesticks are static, meaning that they're unmoving. This is still a moving candlestick because it's a weekly chart. The weekly chart has not ended yet. So what I foresee happening here is this dropping back down. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we get a close around 2034 to close out the week. If we get that, we are set up for a multi-week drop here, because after all, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish weeks in a row. So and we're kind of rolling over at a resistance point. Wouldn't surprise me to see that thing drop. On the monthly chart, we're just up. It just goes up forever. It will never come down. But I'm thinking, I have a sneaky suspicion that we're getting ready to find an area of resistance and retrace. Quick look here at the financials. You have big pop, but now on the weekly chart on the financials, you have what's called a shooting star reversal pattern. On the daily, we shot up on Wednesday, but Wednesday or Thursday, we get a bearish engulfing. It looks like a perfect scenario for a down leg. to commence. And quick look here at the VIX. The VIX here on the daily, remember, if the higher it goes, the more bearish the market is. So we have a lot of resistance above us, but if we start to pop up, now we have a bullish divergence here. If you look, we're dropping here, but we're going up here. It's a bullish divergence. Usually whatever this is doing is what this will do next. So I'm looking for this to go higher. If this goes higher, that means the markets are dropping. The weekly chart here, we went higher, higher, higher. We go lower, lower, lower. And now for the week, we have ourselves a bullish engulfing. And looks like a time to go higher, higher, higher again right here. And if so, the markets will go bearish in that case. A quick look here at gold. This is a weekly chart. Let's go to a daily chart. Look at this pinching pattern I want to show you. Big time pinching. Look for a significant move. I'm calling it here. Big, big move to the upside or downside. Big, big pop. Watch for this. I'm looking for a big move on gold. Silver. Let's take a look. Silver's basing. Looking for this has a better chance of dropping. A better chance of dropping here as opposed to going higher, but it can go either direction. Do not play it one direction or the other until you see it. You trade with your eyes. Crude oil, take a look here. It's been dropping, 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 dropping. And let's do a weekly chart. Look at this, just crashing. I really thought we'd see a pop here. The monthly chart just crashing and burning. Crude oil, big time trouble here. So I'm going to be in Vegas. Next few videos I do, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the rest of the week will be in the confines of Las Vegas while I'm teaching a class, and I'll be doing it with a bunch of students around me. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for being a part, and we'll catch you guys later.